What is going on, guys? This is our initial conditions program. Python project you can do. It's a future program. A program that's meant for the future. We have to get it takes into you have to understand our we have to understand our little basketball's particle theory. Let's say it redefines the word initial conditions. Let's say the Earth is made up of 1,000,000,000,000 particles. We could switch around the particles to be the particle combination of Earth 3 years ago. I call this initial conditions. The initial conditions of 3 years ago is the physical particle state that the Earth was in during that time. You were drinking coffee that morning or taking a shower. Sort of like time travel, but it's not time travel. It's initial conditions. It uses particle control to achieve the condition that is years in the past with perfect particle accuracy. Read all of this, guys. Pause and read. Pause and read to get it. If you could somehow record the exact coordinates of every single billiard ball particle on Earth on a specific Tuesday morning 3 years ago, and you had a machine powerful enough to physically move these particles back to those exact coordinates and give them the exact same moving speed, the past would instantly become the present. There's problems. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. There's problems with this. Initial conditions. Pause and read. This is the small version of the program. I told him I didn't want it to be small. I wanted to have quality in it instead of being small. He was opting for it to be small. I said, no, I don't want it to be small. I want to opt for quality, I said, and then we rewrote the program. This is the one right here. Pause and read. Pause and read. All right. I explained the theory. Here's the code. Initial conditions program. Our program does what you were reading about. You could change the initial conditions to 3 years ago if you want, or 2 years ago. It doesn't matter. Using our theory I explained earlier, just in this video, what we were just looking at. It does that. Changes the initial conditions to 3 some time ago. 3 years ago, whatever. You could choose the time. Pause and copy the code. Let's demonstrate it. Here's the initial conditions. We'll snapshot the particle combination. Let's say it's Tuesday, the particle combination of today. Here's the particle combination of today. Particle movements. Snap it. Let some years pass or some days pass, and then rearrange back those particles back to the state. See? Now it's yesterday again. We call these Init! Init! Restarting a particle combination. This is what our program is written for. It's for the future. Hardware ready, upgrade ready, improvement ready, development ready, modification ready. Takes the particle combination of now and we let some days pass. Rearrange, we travel back in time. It's not really time travel, but we restart to that day. If we let some days pass, we restart to that day. An Earth restart. It's an Earth restart. That's the Earth restart program. Python project you can do. Python projects, Python coding, Python programming. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.